The gloves? It's very big, like.
Nice.
There, because this one, look, no good. Thank you, my love.
Nah.
That's very
Nice. Look at how dirty he is.
spooky. Did you see that?
Where are we off to now, my love?
Picking some corn. Guess we're gonna have some corn for dinner.
Nice. We're gonna go over there.
Then, let's grab some one cucumber because we eat 2 cucumber today. Here. Oh, this thorn. Okay. 2 cucumber. 2 cucumber. Okay, let's go, my love.
Oh, oh, oh.
Oh my God, look at my hand.
Oh, yeah. Finally, working hands. She's usually getting all pampered all the time.
What?
Yeah,
Really?
living a life of luxury, I reckon.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my
It's all
God.
perspective and frame of mind. Ooh,
Oh.
ooh,
Ooh.
ooh.
Do we still have eggplant? We can grab 1 eggplant here. Did I just throw that one here,
Yeah.
babe?
What
Babe,
the heck?
look.
Ooh.
Eggplant. Okay. 1 eggplant. 1 big
Okay.
eggplant.
Corn.
Corn now. Oh, he's getting some of it already here.
Mm-hmm.
Even if it's small, we're going to get it. Let's. Yeah,
Okay.
it's good. We're just going to lots then. I will see if I can find. Woo.
Yeah, that field's pretty much done. This one is done.
Oh, babe,
But there's lots
babe,
left.
it's gonna. I think there's something. Skidoo-doodle.
Skidoo-doo-doodle.
Skidoo.
Skibbity-bop-bop.
Scooby-doo-pop-poo. Skibidoo-pop-pookie. Skidoo-pop-pop-pookie.
Quick, run around. You're not dirty enough yet. Run, run, run. Run, 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 run. Go. Yeah, go. Yay. We've got a long way to go home.
What's that?
Gunfire.
Huh?
Gunfire.
Really?
Yeah, someone's shooting. Maybe target practice, maybe vermin.
What Burman?
Oh, like a fox?
Hunting?
Oh, no, I doubt hunting. But it might be one of the farms close by. It might be a fox or something on their property.
Oh yeah.
Take a couple
And they
shots
have
at
chickens
them.
there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Might
there.
be just to scare them off. Might be to get them. Oi, well, where are you going, muddy dog?
better anyway.
Alec, look at that.